Hello, it's Watson here. I have two of my rifles out to do a review on. This one here is my Marlin 35, model 336. It has the iron sights on it, see-through mount for the scope. And I have the Winchester model 94 30-30. I was just wondering if there was a survival situation or a home defense. I was wondering what one of these you all would may pick for either one, if you could pick one of them. The 35 I've owned over 30 some years, killed multiple deer, groundhogs, right down to squirrel with that gun. This one I bought yesterday evening, so I have shot it today, done a video. I'm going to put it back up later on. If it comes down to one of these, it'd be hard for me really to pick just the one. I know the 35, what it can do, because I've done it. For survival, it would definitely be, for me, I believe the 35. This would be a secondary, I believe, for that situation, for survival or home defense. So, leave me a comment, let me know what you all would think. The one that you would use, for survival and home defense. Alright, well, I'm going to jump off of here and get ready to eat my dinner. So, if you would like, share, and subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Alright, bye-bye now.